and welcome back to the channel. And before moving on to the video, let's hope that our let's hope that our 2021 goes better than 2020. So let's get right into the video. What does it mean to be Gemini moon sign? If you are born with a moon in Gemini, you are a Gemini moon sign. Gemini is the air sign, and when moon is in your sign, you find it difficult to handle emotions. Due to moon in Gemini, you get great command over communication, writing and calculation. You are a curious person and a knowledge gatherer. You want to know as much as possible, even if it means gathering the superficial details. Only you are mutable, sign to meaning. There is a strong need for variety and newness in your life. You like to indulge in many things at once, and you are indeed a multitasker. However, you are not that structured towards task completion in moon in Taurus. Maybe because you have to put your energy into many directions at once. What are the traits of Gemini moon sign? You are a very interesting and a curious person and come off as I know it all. However, moon gives you a certain anxiety and nervousness to this underlying restlessness in your personality rarely comes to the surface, but when it does, it takes a lot of talk for you to calm down. Your airy, mutable sign makes you think a lot. You are not as organized as moon in Virgo. Your home can be very messy at times, but that doesn't mean you don't like to redo it. There are times when you dedicate a lot of your effort and money into renovation because you tend to get bored of your same surrounding and need change. When it comes to emotion, people with Gemini moon signs are mystery to themselves when caught up in a emotional whirlwind. You like to talk it out to someone you find comforting, sharing your feeling, but you're not really good with understanding your emotion yourself. In a way, you are not really in touch with how you actually feel. You only see the surface tension and react on it. You are more on the practical side. You need intellectual stimulation over emotion. Even as a parent, you would be more happier in answering the intellectual questionings of your kids than the emotional ones. You are a very sociable person, though someone who likes to hang out a lot and party hard. You're often the one who takes initiatives like family reunions, as long as you have plenty to keep you busy. Out of your regular routine, you would be happy. You know a lot about things because you talk and listen a lot. You can easily strike a conversation with strangers and take out information you want. You certainly have a way with word and a charming personality too. That girl slash boy who you always chatting around the coffee machine at work is most likely a Gemini. People with moon in Gemini find comfort in crowd that alone sometimes. However, you focus too much on others are up to and turn out to become a gossip monger too. You are nonetheless highly adaptive and flexible, so others often instantly strike a chord with you. Versatility is one of your biggest assets. So, if you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And Happy New Year. This thing is not gone yet, so please keep wearing the mask until it's over, and I'll see you in another video.